I am Iron Man.
Hello everyone, Marvel Studios has been underperforming at the box office lately, but we recently received some surprising news. Iron Man might be returning to the screen. While it's still just a rumor, it would be fantastic to see Iron Man back in the Marvel Universe. Personally, as a Marvel fan, I'd really like to see the return of the Phase 1 heroes, so today I'm creating a commemorative product to celebrate their potential return. One of the easiest DIY props to make is a cushion. Let's use this cushion to make our Hero of the Day merchandise. Today, I'm going to use Copilot to make with illustrations of Iron Man and Captain America's shield. Once you find the images you want, import them into Illustrator and modify them again to make them suitable for cutting. Reshape Iron Man's face using the pen tool. Once that's done, do the same for Captain America's shield. Once the calibration is complete, send the file to a program dedicated to cutting machines to check the size of the image and quantity of cuts. For now, we'll cut Iron Man and shields, one each. First of all, I'm going to use Reflective Twinkle, Soft PU, Flake for today's HTV. I'm going to use different materials to represent the characters. I'm already curious to see the results of combining Reflective Twinkle's glossy effect, Flake's glitter effect, and Soft PU's soft surface effect. Shall we officially start the production now? Cutting proceeds after checking the cushion size and setting the image to be created in the program to size. Set the HTV in the cutting machine and proceed with the work. Once I'm done cutting, I'll proceed to weeding. The difficulty of weeding depends on the size of the graphic, but today's graphic is relatively moderate, so I should be able to finish it quickly. If we're done with the weeding, we'll proceed with the press. As I always say, HTV requires different temperatures and times depending on the type. However, the materials we're using today all have the same temperature and pressing time, so we can do them all at once. Set the heat press to 150 degrees Celsius for 10 seconds, and check the location of the graphic cut in advance on the cushion to be worked on. Once the temperature and graphic placement are confirmed, bam! Press the graphic. Press down on both Iron Man and Captain America's shields, cool down for about 10 seconds, then peel off the PET film and take a look at the finished cushion. How was today's DIY Comics cushion? Was it helpful? We will be back with more informative content next time.